Hello. Today I am going to talk about for some sounds how it will be pronounced in Indian vs American. First of all, I am just talking about for the Indian English. Normally for while we are talking, our all the alphabets, it's like a strong, we are just pronouncing it's the same word how we learn from our school or for how we heard it from someone. If we are talking about for the American English, they are like it's like a waterfalls, like it's a watering. Maybe it's because of their native language, maybe it is they are just showing it to us that yeah, it's very simple. Eventually English is very simple if everyone can start to talk, but only few things which we need to think about it and for which we need to look about it. Like while we are talking to Indian, we will not be able to find out for this difference, but if we are talking about for some any other nationalities, immediately we can catch it how they are talking, the way how they are pronouncing the English words. Pronunciation is very important if we are going to outside the India or for in any other European countries. Most of our people, nurses and the admin, a lot of people is in European countries as well. So if you are planning to go, it will be helpful for you. I will explain to you few words how Indian is saying and Americans is saying. First example, we can start with the T letter. It's like a tablet. Indians is saying tablet, but Americans will say tablet. Ta. We will say tata. The T sound is always they are pronouncing is T. So we will say T. Americans will say T. We will say out. And the American will say of course out. The T sound is th sound. So for there is few words, Indian will say water, Americans will water, and even their R sound is we will say water, Americans will say water. Did you get the difference between for the American and Indian? So the next one is butter. Indian will say butter. It's like we are just showing it like as per the alphabet we are just saying or we are just talking. But for Americans will say butter. So the R sound is silent and for the T will be th. The second one, D sound. So Indian will say I will do it. Americans will say I will do it. Do. I don't know. We will say I don't know. So the D sound is very hard and is showing it like a something is cracking. So for Americans will say I'll do, I don't know, I can't do it, I don't know. And the next one is R sound. Americans is always saying even the Keralites people is very familiar with the which is like a vara. So the sound is there always. So instead of saying that right, Americans will say right, Indians will say right. So we knows very well how to say ra. So always whenever the R sound is comes, you just need to move it to ra. Third is Indian will say or Indian will pronounce wrote. Americans will say eventually wrote. There is few words more. Bird, Indian will say. Americans will say bird. Bird. R sound is silent. So for the next one, word, bird. So there is the R sound. R sound is always like a ra. Some names also or some countries names also is how the Indians is saying is very wrong. Like if we are saying that Michael, M-I-C-H-A-E-L, how the Indians will pronounce it? Mikhail. It is not Mikhail, it's a Michael. The spelling is correct, but it's not a Mikhail, it's a Michael. Next one is while we saw for E, always we will think that yeah, we should need to say A sound. No. If we write it for bulge, B-E-L-G-E, always Indian will say bulge. It's not a bulge, it's bulge, B-E-L G-E. The next one is for Miguel. So Indians will say Migul because the spelling is M-I-G-U-L. It's not correct. Miguel, Miguel. G should need to be like a swallow. We need to swallow some words. Okay. The next point, we are just moving to the next category now. So we already saw for how the Indian and American pronunciation. Now I'm going to talk about for few words how will be we can just smallerize, like for we can just keep it like a small words. Indian, this is also same Indian and American English. Indian will say like a half sleeves. What it means? Half sleeves. American will say short sleeves. Indian will say half pants. American will say shorts. It's only one word, shorts. We will say like kambli, same, or jumper. Americans will say sweater. So this is some few words how we need to think about it as well. Maybe for while we are going somewhere, we will hear this some names or some words, so don't be surprised. So this is like an American language or for the American words. So if you are thinking about for we need to always memorize, or for if we need to keep it smaller for our language, we should need to at least we should need to follow something like this. If you guys like my video, then please subscribe it and share it and like it, comment it. So for whenever I post the next video, you will be able to watch it. And in case if you need to give me some advice, you can always comment it on the inbox. So at least I can get in touch with you and I can clear it. And the same time, if you have anything, you can always talk to me while there. Thank you.